Today we pay homage to a distinguished entrepreneur, somebody who came to Dubai with a vision and a recipe which he's mastered and turned into Dubai's must-eat dish, the yogurt kebab, or they call it Kabab Masti. This dish has been meticulously and consistently prepared and served to customers for over 40 years. Today we come here to eat and pay respects to an institution and also to the man whom we know as the king of kebab.
Abbas, after a long time, man.
Yeah.
How's everything?
Good. Life is good, you know.
Amazing.
Life is beautiful. We're healthy.
That is absolutely true.
Yeah.
Speaking of your father, Allah yarhamah,
Allah yarhamah.
tell me the story of when he opened this.
It started not in 1978. My father came to Dubai in 1941, World War II. In the mid-50s, he had a perfume shop. Then early 60s, he was the dealer of Philips. And he had many money exchange. He was an all-rounder. Then in 1978, he just gave up. He said that enough is enough. So he took 100,000 loan and he told him, let me start a restaurant. It's not right to say, but I will tell. My mother used to wash the clothes of the staff. She used to cook the gravy. They used to stay in Karama. So that's how it started. See, Kabab Masti is a traditional kebab barbecue food towards the southern Iran. Normally when in Iran someone gets married, so they marinate the yogurt kebab. It's basically pieces of chunks of meat or chicken marinated with labna. How do you make labna? First you make milk, hang it, the water goes, that's how it becomes labna. So that's the secret. So this is where the magic happens at Ustadi.
Wow. Big man, right here. Right here.
Man, respect. My brother. How long we know each other, brother?
Oh my God, years and years. Oh, check this out, guys.
This is the barbecue. This is the juju kebab,
Which is basically chicken, and it's got that.
marinated saffron. And this is the kebab bahraini. So it's chunks of meat and chicken marinated with dry lemon. This is the kebab masi, the kebab lari, which they call it, which is a bit sour. And this is our signature dish at Ustadi. This is kubide. Kubide, there is lamb as well as chicken, and that's about it. And then we have steak too.
Okay, peeps, so we had an awesome conversation with the brothers, one of which is over here.
Brother, most welcome indeed.
Thank you. All right, time to eat. This is the yogurt kebab. This is what these guys are known for. This is special. Look at this. That is the lamb, succulent lamb that sits in yogurt, salted yogurt for, I don't know, 12, 16, 24 hours. It just like oozes into the meat. It really goes into it and breaks down the fibers so it becomes super like lean and soft. And then when you put it on the grill, look at that. That yogurt, it like dries up. You got a little bit of that black stuff over there. That is the smokiness that you need. And my God, I usually don't say a word when they put this on the table. I straight away put this in my mouth, but I have to explain to you guys because you know, there's no other way for you to know how awesome it is. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing. If you're lucky, get your hand on a piece of the pure fat, because what they tend to do is they put a bunch of pieces of meat and then a little piece of fat, and that is what melts and drops onto the coal, and you get the smoke, and it turns everything smoky because the yogurt also brings in all that smoke, and it is so good. All right, next peeps, another special dish. You can get this white rice over here. It's got saffron rice up on top, and these are barberries. So these barberries, this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. Now, these come dried, and what you have to do is you have to rehydrate them. So you put these in water. And then a lot of people actually lightly toast or fry these as well. Oh, they're beautiful. They've got that sour flavor. I'm gonna put some of this into my plate. And look, you could technically have this with anything. I mean, it's your choice. But the best protein to have with this is chicken. So I'm gonna get a piece of this chicken. Look at that beautiful orange color and all that oil over there. That's because of saffron. So this is chicken breast. Going to get a nice spoonful right there, peeps. Look at that. Whoops. Lucky for me, I have another piece over here. Here we go. And this time I'm not gonna go close. You already saw what it looks like, so here goes. That is beautiful. The chicken is super succulent. The rice is very oily and buttery, and use this as well. You can put some more butter on it, which is amazing. Put those barberries, it gives it that sour taste, and I love it. Super special dish. This is amazing. You gotta have that. Oh, this is the specialty right here. Look at that. Look at this, peeps. This is brilliant. So this is called tahdig. Ta means the bottom, dig means the pot. And that's exactly what this is. This is the thing that I just showed you in the kitchen where we scrape the bottom of the pot and you get this beautiful, crusty thing right here. It's got sauce on it like crazy because it's supposed to become all moist and everything like that. But this is amazing. This is off the menu. You're not gonna find this on the menu. You gotta know about this and come and get it and ask for it. You can have it with any stew that they have. This one is with a chicken stew and it's just unreal. Here we go. Take a look at this, peeps. It is dripping as well. It's got oil on top of it. You put bread at the bottom of the pot while the rice is cooking, and then you'll get this bread slash rice crispy amazingness. Tell me a little bit more about the type of customer that comes here. How much of your customers are regular? How much of them are new customers?
Normally, I would say it used to be like 10% tourists and 80-85% regular customer. And Payman, when I say regular customer, I have customers who comes 5 times a week, 6 times a week. Payman, we have customers who come from Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, I mean Hawanij, Barsha, you know.
Who came up with the idea to design this restaurant in this way with, of course, everybody that visits, but also there's a lot of old things here, hats from the local clubs, old phones. Whose idea was this?
Let me tell you, you are in the Hall of Fame, by the way. Huh?
Oh.
We never had this decor. We had this only colors, which was my father's. He believed in simplicity. So in 2011, when we got a notice that you have to move from this building, it was a shock. You know, we never knew it. It was my idea, and my brothers know about it. So I thought, like, what do we do when we move to the other one? So I said, let's take a 50-60 pictures of customers that we keep a small memory of old study. Okay, we can put the same decor. It's the same decor, you know. These are all old customers. Oh, you know him, Mr. Taster?
Of course, Mr. Taster, right
Sultan
there.
Khoury's father.
Trevor James, the food ranger,
yeah.
right there.
It's me, another picture, more vlogs.
Amazing. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Oh yeah, my man is here.
Mark Rians.
Yeah.
And that's a little guy, and this is the big guy, right?
Hey, young brother, what are you having? Cooked kebab you having?
Yes.
You're missing something else, bro.
My God, I'm reading your mind.
You know, this is our secret. It's uncooked food.
Uncooked.
Right? Exactly, yeah.
Peeps, this is the yogurt lamb uncooked.
You know?
This is not on the menu.
At all.
Look at this. Look, I saw the red, and I want you guys. This is onions over here,
yeah,
right?
exactly.
And yogurt.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That has been sitting
Around
in
8
yogurt.
hours. 8 hours.
8 hours.
Sour yogurt. When you put in sour yogurt, they can become soft.
Oh my
tender,
God.
you know?
Okay, guys.
Yeah?
This is for the
Yeah.
real foodies. over
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
Off the menu.
Yeah. Bismillah.
That's amazing, peeps. And basically, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Go.
Yeah.
Peeps, don't try this at home.
Yeah.
Specialists
Especially
are
yogurt.
doing this.
This yogurt and the sour yogurt.
Oh my God, it is brilliant, peeps.
Yummy.
There we go, one more for the road. Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother. Respect. Yeah.
Yeah. So that was another thing that wasn't on our table or on the menu, which we're having now. All right, back to the food. All right, peeps, next on the menu, like we got a bunch of kebabs over here, and this, peeps, is the tenderloin that you saw on the skewer, which he bought out of the refrigerator, and he put inside that onion and turmeric and saffron juice for it to suck in all those oils before you put it on the fire. This is tenderloin that's been beat flat and it's grilled, and this is beautiful. You could have this with white rice or you could have it plain like I'm about to right now. That is brilliant. There's no fat on that meat. That's why you need to put it in that juice. It is lean and pure protein. That's amazing. This is another specialty over here, peeps. So these are what they call the Bahraini kebabs. This is the chicken and this is the meat. And Bahraini kebab is basically with, see that black stuff over there? That is actually dried lime. So what you do is you take a lime, you let it sit in the sun for weeks, it dries up, and then what you do is you use the inside of that dried lime, mash it all up, and you put it on top of the meat. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's very oily as well. This is yummy. That dried lime, by the way, has a little bit of sourness, but it's also got a little bit of bitterness. Now, if you eat the skin on the outside, it'll be even more bitter, but on the inside, a little bit less bitter, but beautiful. That's fantastic. All right, next on our list, peeps, this minced meat right here. Look at the under part of that. The oil is still there. Put this over here, and let me give you guys another secret, all right? So, all these kebabs and everything are placed on a piece of bread. Now, you want to enjoy life? Take a bit of that bread, especially the part which has all that oil on it. Put it over here. Get a little piece of this. Wrap it around, and then enjoy it this way. Oh, that is sweet, like having a lollipop. Beautiful. Yeah. And people, when you eat kebabs with your hands, if you see the shine on your hands, this is a sign that you are eating the right way, and it's a sign that the kebab was made in the right way. So mashallah, success after success since 1978 right here in Dubai. How has Dubai helped to go from success to success?
Everybody says you have good food, that's why you guys are grown. I would say yes, we have good food, but if there was no proper infrastructure in Dubai, if there was no security, stability, you will never run. Dubai has helped us since 1995, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, from when he became crown prince and this ruler, you know, all this thing. He's grown Dubai. I like in all my interviews, Dubai's mother, Dubai's gold. Dubai's given us everything. Even today when I sit with my friends, they say, no, you work hard. I said, no, if God does not want, they will not give, you know. We have kept our work clean, but Dubai is giving us everything. Like everywhere I do, I just kiss this. I say, Allah Ta'ala Amr Shukh. Not for anything. People are kind, people are educated, people are caring, people want to guide you because they're happy. At the end of the day, they're happy in Dubai, you know.
Just oozes out of the rice and it's all over my mouth and I love it. Thank you so much.
I'm looking from there. I want to jump in it.
Oh my God, I want to jump in it. Let's do it together. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Oh man, this is fantastic. And by the way, feeling adventurous, you've also got these raw veggies over here, which you can eat as well. So super cool. Peeps, one other thing you should know about this place, it's box office. Mr. Majid, how many languages do you speak? I hear you speak 18 languages.
6 languages.
Oh.
Same time. Like a Mercedes. Yes, like Mercedes-Benz. Same time.
All right, peeps, and to end, I'm gonna give you another secret over here, something that is also not on the menu. Now, you will find this on the table, and this is basically some amazing local dates, and these dates have been sitting in date molasses. That's why they're all shiny and everything. Order some tea, comes with mint. You get some of this, yes please. This is for special people. If you remember, come over here, ask for this. This is unreal.
Bon appetit again. This is Sahul Afia. This one for digestion.
This, you digested this?
With pleasure. The dates, digest the food, but take a rest in the bed.
Oh my
Fresh.
God.
This is tahina, Sicilian with the dates.
So look at that, dripping. That is amazing. Wash it down with this amazing mint tea. And then you know you've had a perfect meal right here at Kabab Al Ustad, or as we like to call it still, Ustadi Kabab. Amazing. Have a good one, guys.